Story Nest.
Sammy the squirrel, with his bushy tail twitching, carefully measured flour into a bright yellow bowl. Sunlight streamed through the kitchen window, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. Clara the cat, her emerald eyes sparkling with mischief, playfully swatted at a rolling pin that had escaped the counter. A half-empty bag of chocolate chips sat temptingly nearby. Their laughter echoed through the cozy kitchen as they took turns stirring the batter, occasionally sneaking a taste and giggling at the sugary sweetness. The aroma of vanilla filled the air. Carefully, Sammy spooned dollops of cookie dough onto a baking sheet, while Clara watched with anticipation, her tail gently swaying back and forth. The oven hummed softly in the background. Soon, the kitchen was filled with the warm, irresistible scent of freshly baked cookies. Sammy and Clara, their faces beaming, eagerly reached for a still warm treat, ready to enjoy the fruits of their delightful baking adventure.